If you still haven't made money online, listen up. This person over here is making hundreds and thousands of dollars a day with this one simple affiliate link in the bio of their TikTok profile. This strategy is guaranteed to make you money. I'm going to show you proof of these people over here doing this exact same hidden trick on TikTok and Instagram, and exactly how you can do this too without posting your own content, and how to get tens of thousands of views on a daily basis, which leads to a massive client base and hundreds of clicks and tens of sales on your affiliate product every single day. As you can see over here, this person has a simple Linktree link in the bio of their profile, which looks like this, and they are making money on 2 products that is not even their own. They've just collected 1 or 2 products from ClickBank, slapping that in their TikTok profile bio, and is now making hundreds of dollars a day on their TikTok account. All you need to do is watch this video and apply every single step and strategy that I'm about to show you. Every single party and platform that I'm going to be showing you is completely free of charge, no hidden free trials. All of this is free to do. All you need to do is put in this little effort of 10 to 20 minutes a day, and you'll be able to build a fully blown and hedged business online for yourself straight after this video. The first person who subscribes to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on, comments down below an inspirational or motivational quote, and leaves a like on this video will get free access to my Discord community, where you can talk to me on a daily basis. I live stream here. I have a full 1 to 7 section entire course on what I do full-time off of YouTube with other like-minded people that are constantly making money online with what I do full-time off of YouTube. If you want to get access to all of this, make sure to do the following that I just announced, and I will announce the winner in tomorrow's video, and I will send you free access to this Discord. Without further ado, let's hop straight into my PC. I want to show you the perfect example of somebody who's doing this, who's making hundreds of dollars a day on ClickBank sales. This person over here is posting an entire weight loss document journey on their TikTok channel, and is promoting weight loss ClickBank affiliate products in the bio of their profile. Not only are they posting on TikTok and making money on TikTok, but I clicked on their Linktree and also found they're on YouTube and Instagram. So they are making money off TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube all at the same time with the same link in their bio. Just promoting food products, health drinks, weight loss journey, all promoting a simple ClickBank affiliate link product where they are making over $100 to $500 a day in ClickBank affiliate commissions. And I'm going to show you how you can do this by creating your own professional personal brand, and without even having to create any of the content yourself. There is many artificial intelligence tools on the internet that can do this for you. The first step is to come over and grab your affiliate product. So I'm just going to quickly brief you through this, and it's really easy to do. It's really not difficult. Come over to clickbank.com. You can log in with an existing account if you have one, or just click on start here and you can sign up completely for free with a free account. So I'm going to log in with my account and meet you on the dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, click on health and fitness. On the left hand side, click on diet and weight loss, and it will give you over 142 different products that you can go and promote. My favorite product, and the #1 product I've made the most money off ClickBank, is this product right here, the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. The reason is because it's a very easy product to sell. It's not expensive. It only costs people about $40, and you make a commission of $29.03 every time you make a sale. And it's a very nice, pleasurable drink that people like is smoothies. It's sweet. It's got peanut butter, bananas, honey, you name it. It's not just salads and vegetables every single day. People like this because it's tasty, and that is why I've been found, and that is why I find this product sells so well. Go and click on promote over here, click on generate hop link, and take a look at the beauty of this. If you copy this hop link and paste this in your browser and you click on enter, it's going to take you to a done for you landing page with a webinar, sales video, checkout system, all the results posted over here. You can read through everything that's in this product, more webinars and testimonials from people. So the entire sales page has been completed for you and tailor-made for you as a salesperson or an affiliate to go and promote this product. You don't need a lot of money to go and pay for Builderall, ClickFunnels, or Kartra and build your own pages. All of this is here for you. And what's epic about your affiliate link, when people click on that, ClickBank knows that it's connected to your account, and it knows to reward you that commission. So just go and copy this hop link, come over to a website called bit.ly. The reason we're doing this is because you'll see over here, this long encrypted hop link is a long and unneat you could almost say it looks like a spammy kind of a link. But if you come over to Bitly, you can actually create a really professional looking short link. So just go and paste this URL under the custom back half. Just go and type smoothie diet weight loss, for example. Click on create. Okay, that one's taken. So let's just do program. Click on create. And over here, it will give you a brand new short link that you can now go and paste in your browser, and it will take you to that landing page. And what's great about this, you can also track the amount of clicks that you get on this link, so you can actually see how many people are viewing your page. Step number 2 is even easier. Come over to YouTube and go and search weight loss tips, and you can go and copy any one of these videos. For example, this one over here, 6 natural weight loss tips, healthy and sustainable. If you go and right click and copy the link address of this video, come over to this artificial intelligence tool, which is a real game changer on the internet. This artificial intelligence is ChatGPT on steroids. You can go and post a link to any video on the internet, for example, podcasts, motivational videos, and it will automatically extract and create 10 viral clips in about 5 minutes just from this one long video, giving you unlimited content potential ideas. And it's not plagiarism or copying straight from YouTube, because it's creating its own version of it. You're not downloading the video and just re-uploading it. You're creating it into a much shorter version TikTok or a real version of that longer video. What I do recommend is, and what is quite nice, is also you can give credit to the original creator. There's nothing wrong with doing this. Click on get clips for free, and you will need to sign in with your Google account. Again, it's completely free. After about 5 minutes, it will create 10 TikTok and short videos for you in a simple ranking system, ranking from a score out of 100, so from best to worst. So this is the number 1 clip over here, which you can go and download in complete HD, completely for free to your phone or your PC. From there, it's really easy. Come over to platform.openai.com, and you want to open up ChatGPT in a new tab and open up DALL-E in a new tab. We're going to be using this to create our entire TikTok brand. Again, it's completely free artificial intelligence. So all you're going to go and do is on ChatGPT, is go and type, give me a TikTok name idea for weight loss tips. Click on enter and send to ChatGPT. It will give you a top 10 list of the best names that you can go and use. So for example, Slim Tips Pro, Fit Fusion, Lean Life Hacks, Shred Secrets, Wellness Whiz, Trim TikToker, Nutri Guru, Shapeshifters. That's actually quite a cool one. Weight Loss Wizard, Tone Up Picks. So you can go and use any of these. And what you want to go and do is, from there, is go and create your TikTok profile and set that as your name and your username. Same thing on Instagram and same thing on Facebook and YouTube. Then come over to labs.openai.com, which is also called DAL-E, and go and search up fitness logo and click on generate, and take a look at this, and take a look at this. You can go and choose from any one of these logos. So for example, this one over here, you can go and save and set this as your TikTok profile with your ChatGPT TikTok name that you've generated, which therefore an entire brand is now complete. You've got your logo, your name, and all you need to go and do is go and post your content and go and put that bit.ly URL link with the Smoothie Diet Weight Loss Program in the bio of your profile. You want to go over to Instagram, do the exact same thing, and all of these videos that you've generated on Opus.pro, you can go and download and upload daily on your TikTok and your Instagram. As long as you follow each and every step that I've defined out in this video for you to go and post on TikTok and Instagram, there will be 1 or 2 videos that are slow, but that 1 or 2 videos that take off to 10, 20, 100k views. This one even hit 4.5 million on this person's profile, will blow up the rest of your page, get you a ton of followers. All of your other videos also start to pick up momentum and virality as well. That is why it's super important to go and post consistently, not just once or twice. And as you go and post, watch as those sales come in. If you want to learn more about how to make money on TikTok in 2023 and 2024, I've got an entire free course on YouTube. There is no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. All of the information I post on YouTube is completely for free. I will leave a playlist on the screen over here somewhere. So what I recommend you do is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.